How to change paper size or page size in Google Docs. So you can take any size as per your requirement in Google Docs, like A4 and another size also available in there. So I'm going to show in this video tutorial. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open Google Docs first. Okay, guys, so here we are. This is my browser. So let me open the Google Docs. So I directly open my Google Docs here. Okay, you can see I take new file to show you proper. Okay, so I got the new documents here. So if you want to change the page size, I need to go in page setup, go to the file, and here you can see on bottom second large option called page setup. You need to just click on it. Now here you can see the page option. You can apply for the Word document. Okay, so it is a orientation also you can change, like portrait and landscape you can use. You can change margin, top margin, bottom margin. You can also change left margin, right margin. And here you can see the page size. So here is a lot of size you can see, like letter, tablet, legal statement, A3, A4 size, A5 size, B4 size, B5 size, whatever you want you can take. And you can also change the page color if you want. After you've done everything, just click OK, then the page size and the color will be changed. So if you want to make default, just go here again, go to the page setup option again and reset all and click on OK. Okay, okay, set default. Okay, so when you change anything, it if you make as a default, then when you create new folder, it will be same setting will be applied. Okay, if you want to come back in white, you need to come here and make it white and change the page size. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.